おはようございます。ラプターの V8 のサウンドはいいですよね。いいですよね。今から出発です。アイバンさん、アイバンパフォーマンスショップの方に向かってます。なぜかというと、やっとフェアレディ Z、ダットさん Z、240Z、ダッツン Z、240Z、英語だったらね、やっとできたんで、エンジンを変えて、キャップも入れて、もうとにかくアイブのところでできたっていう連絡入ったので、やっとほぼ1年ぶりなのかな。もう乗りたい。年末ちょっと寒くなったんだけど、乗れたら乗ってみたいなと思うんで、アイブのところまで行って、車の発、エンジン始動と、またキャブの音を聞くことと、などなどちょっと聞きたいと思います。そしてブレーキの方もアップグレードしたし、テクノトイチューニングさんからブレーキキットをいただいたので、それも入ったので、それも含めてアイブのところまでトレーラー引っ張ってみましょう。アイバンのところに到着です。ここはもうアイバン、ここに引っ越してきてから約2年になるんですけど、まもなくまた、引っ越すかもしれませんね。やっぱりこの砂利道がちょっとネックなんですよね。車高端に乗ってる人とか、綺麗に車乗りたい人がこの道を通ると車が汚くなるのとボロボロだっていうのは少しした気になることだよね。ピックアップトラックだろうがここまで激しいなら、車高端車のスバルとか Z みたいな車とかってああいう車には相当きついんだよな。新しいところ今探してるところです。アイバンのところに相変わらず車多いですね。よし、ほらアイバンさんじゃない？寒いから帽子かぶって。Is that you, Ivan? Wait a minute, look at you. You look like a snowman. Nice to see you guys. Ivan のショップに着いたんで、最初に気づいたのはこのトラック。Ivan, is that your new truck?
Oh yeah.
Dude, that thing is bad ass. Look at that. I love the grills on these trucks. これごっついグリルじゃない、かっこいい。I love it with the induct. I mean, it's huge. And then you get that old kind of muscle car looking like kind of the Dodge, the Coronet, the Super B type of induction. It's functional too?
It's functional.
Dude, what engine's in here? Let's see it.
It's got a 6.6 Coromax. How many K cars is that?
That's a hell of a lot of K cars. How many? Well, that's 10 K cars, dude.
Yeah.
That's 10 K cars. Wow, look at that thing.
Yeah.
Duramax. 6.6. Steve Duramax. Dude, how many K cars can you fit inside this truck? Meaning inside the cab. You can park one there. You can park
the side of that door.
すごいこれは。That is a Texas truck for sure, man. Nice. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ivan, are you ready to show me my car?
Oh yeah.
Do you know that this, that, and everything else, we are probably super close to almost
A year probably.
1 year.
It seems like all the old cars take a year to get done.
You better figure a year. Nothing, every project takes a year, right? And
Yeah.
something. But I'm so happy I'm ready to see my baby. Will you take me out there and do the honors, sir?
Come on in.
Thank you. Let's
Come
go.
on in.
Whoa! There she is! 懐かしい! しばらく見てない。フェアレディ Z です。かっこいい。Oh, she looks good, man. She looks good. Dude.
Now I gotta show you.
このエンジンルームはね、見せてもらわないと。Come on, show me. Show me. 3, 2, Yes! Dude! Look at that. Wow! Dude! Oh, Ivan's Performance Shop.
Yes.
Look at that, man. Beautiful touch. The valve cover and those carburetors, man. Dude, that is beautiful, man. Nice work, man. Nice work.
Yeah, we have modernized the engine just a little bit. The engine
Okay.
bay just a little bit. Just
All right.
a little bit. I want to show you something.
Show
we
me.
got now electric fans.
Oh, yeah, there they are. 1, 2, dual electric fans. Didn't have those before.
Oh yeah. Hey, here in Texas it get hot sometimes, so
We
one
better
is
have
not
some
gonna be
fans,
enough.
huh?
We have an electrical pump
I happen to see that.
right there.
Down there.
So we
There
have a
she
pump.
is. Okay.
We have a regulator.
Yes, sir.
And we do have a filter in the line.
I see that.
So
It looks fantastic. I can't wait, though, more than anything to...
Hear the engine.
Yeah, man.
You
Yeah,
wanna do the honor?
man. Let's do that. いやー、すげえ嬉しい。本当に。もう、キャブも、ヘッドカバーも、エンジンも、ファンもね、冷却ファンも2つがあるのと、電動ポンプ、ワイヤー、もうエンジンルームは綺麗。コイルもメッキのコイルなので、かっこいいですよね。これはいい。そして、久しぶりのバンザイレーシングのホイールとフェンダーも、あとはこの車の中に最後に座ったのはもう1年ぐらい前になると思う。I haven't sat in this thing in about a year, Ivan. Oh, it feels... I smell my baby again. Yes. All right, what do we got going here, Ivan?
Okay, so I got some homework for you to do. I don't know how you want to place him. If you want to, put him on a nice little plate or something. But
Yes.
Now we have two switches for the fan.
Okay.
It really doesn't matter. Yeah, it really doesn't
Okay.
matter which one you turn on first
Sure.
or not. But this one, the red one, one is going to be the fuel pump.
That's my fuel pump. Okay.
Yeah, so now you activate the fuel pump first. You hear it?
I hear it.
There you go.
I hear it.
You can kill it here, right here.
Okay.
You can winterize the car.
Ah.
So when you're going to let the car
Yep.
sitting for a long time,
Yep.
you just turn off the fuel pump.
Yep.
And you let the car running until it dies with no fuel in the car.
Drains the fuel out of the carburetors,
Exactly.
keeps
So-
it from gumming up the carbs.
Exactly.
Nice.
If there's a fire or something, you can
Kill it.
kill it.
Was that the horn on this car? こんなクラクションだったっけ? That's wussy. We're gonna have to change that. I think we need something cool in this car.
2 seconds.
Pump on.
And go at it.
Clutch in. Neutral. And... Holy cow, すげえ Wow! Oh my god, dude! This thing doesn't even sound like... It's not even the same car! Oh my god!
Yeah.
すげえ Wow! 全然違うんじゃないこれは
Yeah.
Wow, Ivan! This thing is nuts!
You like it?
Nicely done. Oh my god!
Let it idle. It sounds like a V8.
Like a V8 sound. It's got a low. That cam is crazy.
Let's go outside and see
over
this.
Ivan, that thing sounds crazy.
Yeah.
It's like a V8.
Yeah.
car right there.
Literally.
Holy cow.
Yeah, boy.
Wow. And then, I gotta get that on, right? The blast
Yeah, we
pipe?
gotta get the blast pipe installed.
Yeah, but damn, are those gonna look good.
Yeah.
Let me put them on there. Let's see real quick. Image. Opposite.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They're working! Yeah!
Look how that motor shakes
Oh, I
on
love
the
it.
cam.
I love it.
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Nice.
Oh man.
Wow.
I love it, man.
Thank you, Ivan.
Oh, yes.
Well, that thing's awesome. I can't wait to drive this thing, dude.
Yes.
I can't wait to take it for a drive.
Oh, you have one more thing.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We got full disc
Whoa.
conversion on the car.
Techno Toy
Yeah.
Tuning. 4-wheel disc brakes from Techno Toy Tuning on this car. Hey, package that just showed up. Ivan is working on my 240, guys. If you don't know about the 240Z, is running. It's coming back together, but we've been a little tied up because Ivan's been needing some rear brake parts.
Yep.
My drums are on that car now, but who wants to run drums anymore? So I did something really cool. I called up my buddy Kevin at Techno Toy Tuning, and guess what showed up today, Ivan? Let's open this thing up.
Open it up.
Open it up. Techno Toy Tune's got all the cool stuff for these kids.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Look
Oh.
at that.
Dude.
Beautiful looking.
we
Is that
got-
our emergency brake cable?
We got
Looks
the
like.
e-brake cable.
E-brake cable.
And we have some line conversion here.
Yeah.
I love this, man. I
Nice,
love
nice,
this.
nice. Oh, yeah. What do we got,
Calipers.
baby? Woo! Oh, yes.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at that.
Now you're gonna have 4 pistons. Are you ready to stop that?
Yes, I'm ready to stop.
Look
I'm
at
ready to
this,
stop my
man.
car, dude.
We got some pads.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. Better than drums, huh?
Oh, I'll tell you. Oh, I'll tell you.
slotted rotors too. Look at that.
Well,
Sweet. Take her out. Ooh.
very nice.
Nice. Now this is their micro kit, by the way, too, Ivan, because we got the running the small wheels on the car.
Oh yeah.
We got those wide, deep ones, so this should fit. This is their micro. They have a big kit and a small kit. This is the smaller kit to fit those smaller wheels that we got.
I love the setup.
Techno Toy Tuning, guys, the best of the best, supporting me on all of the projects. The Z, the AE86. They got stuff for the Hakosta too. Do you know that? They have all kinds of stuff. So check out Techno Toy Tuning. Love these guys. Thumbs up. And Ivan's Performance, of course. Yeah. Yeah.
Now we have power and we can stop.
And we can stop it too.
Yeah.
Let me hear it. Wow! Jake, are we gonna get an IPS sticker on this car?
Stamp and approve.
Let's do it, man. ラプターに、新しいタイヤ、もうタイヤ交換するんで、新しいタイヤは日本製の横浜タイヤですね。これになります。これは横浜のジオランダーというタイヤ。今まで MT のマッドトレインのグラジエーターさんのタイヤだったんだけど、MT からものすごいなんかかっこいい系の AT に、アイバンのおすすめで横浜メイドインジャパンの横浜の方がいいんじゃないでしょうかっていうことで、まあ、このタイヤももう終わりっていうかほぼ終わりに近いのでこれに変えました。Nice new tires you got me, man.
Yeah,
Look at those Yokohama Geolanders, huh?
Yeah. Hey, you know what the most important thing is about these tires?
What is that?
They're made in Japan.
And made in
Look.
Japan. Let's see. It says it
right
on there.
here.
There it is, right
Right
there.
here.
You're right. Made
Made
in
in
Japan. エンジンがかかりました。これから Z が出ます。いい音しているんだよな、マジで。めっちゃかっこいい。いいな。すげえ。来た。俺の Z が。やったー。来た。いい音しているんだ。うわエンジンサウンドだよね。うわ匂いも。すげえ。やったー。かっこいいよね。いいよ。めちゃくちゃいい。トレーラーに乗る車が乗るようにそのランプをスロープを使ってます。Alright. Alright. 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 Woo! すんげえじゃない。このタイヤもあれも全部乗せてトラックがかなり下がってる。もうなんか出発という感じで Looks like it's ready for takeoff. でもアイバンに感謝。Z のエンジンのすべてを丁寧にやってくれて Thank you, man. Thank you for everything. That car is so awesome. My truck and the tires, all that, but this long-term project that you stuck with and did for me.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
So much. Appreciate it. And let's go for a cruise in this thing.
Yeah.
We gotta break in that PAM and go
Yes,
change
we
the
have
oil soon too, don't we?
Yes, we have to.
ということ
Sounds
で
like we might stop in it.
これからの楽しみです。Thumbs up, man. Thanks, Ivan.